1 week removed from the inauguration of our 44th president, Barack Hussein Obama. I was there, and I'm still yet overjoyed to have been a part of that historic moment. Throughout my journey, I videotaped and took still pictures of various events and occasions of my own individual journey. I'd like to share some of those with you now. Hope you enjoy.
Oh well, that was
Only in DC.
well then.
I don't know what's going on with this pimp walk we have going in front of us. But hey, it's all a part of the inauguration. Now realize on the mall there were millions of people. Look at the street. All right, we're gonna take Independence to Maryland, to the left. People walking on 395 South in DC. Amazing. And people up ahead